everybody. We are here right now in the Uber on our way to the airport. We're going to JFK. I got
Hi everyone.
little Medina here, and we're on our way to go to Wiesbaden, Germany. First stop. We got a big event there. So this is the very beginning of the Tap Into Your Dreams tour, which I'm super excited about. It's been a long time coming, guys. It's probably been like what? I mean, we just came back from Toronto, which was part of this tour. It's been a minute since we've done something like this, probably since January.
Yeah.
So
Prior to January.
yeah, so now it's like basically May. So yeah, this is gonna be a movie. I'm really excited about this. You know, one thing I absolutely love about this industry is it allows us to really just get out there, challenge ourselves, increase our mental capacity, you know, really put ourselves in a position to grow and scale in life. It's not just about the money, it's not just about the lifestyle, it's more so about the personal growth and development that you can have. So yeah, we're just in the Uber right now, traveling through. As you can see right here, we got some views.
Guys, and while all this is happening with our house,
Yeah, our house is going through some
massive
renovation, remodeling, construction.
at the moment. Looks like a death trap,
Yeah, so perfect timing for us to dip out.
basically.
Right here, guys, that's the Lincoln Tunnel back there. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. This tour is gonna be an absolute movie. I'm super excited. We got Matthew Thayer coming in from Minnesota. You know, documented earner, trader, investor, mentor. Joey Wilson coming through. We're gonna go out there and meet Simon and his entire team in Germany. After we go Germany, we're gonna hit up Sweden real quick with Michael Amberger and Emil. You know, beautiful event over there we got going on in Stockholm. Straight from Stockholm, we head right to Czech. We're gonna go to Brno. We got an event over there for the Czech and Slovakian markets, which is gonna be incredible. Straight after that, next day, Croatia. Croatia is gonna be amazing. We got our boy Davor out there. It's going to be a movie. Then we have an incentive trip in Dubai. Okay, so we'll be in Dubai for a couple days with the squad, having fun, getting content, masterminding, you know, game planning for the future. And then literally right off the back of that, we close it out in Portugal. Portugal is going to be great. We got, you know, Ivan Campos, Bruno, and Hugo out there. And yeah, I'm just really excited. So this is the beginning of the Tap Into Your Dreams tour. Let's get after it. Let's make some magic happen. Peace. Hi, I have a question for you. How are you doing?
Not good. Look at me, guys.
How are you doing?
If you knew what my last 24 hours was
Shabir is going to see this, by the way.
This is why I look like this Shabir. He literally abuses me. You guys think I live a happy life. I don't. Save me.
She's under
Save
control. Mind control. Now say sorry.
Absolutely not.
All right, what is going on, everybody? We're here at the JFK airport, just chilling at the Lufthansa lounge, getting ready to take off for our flight to Frankfurt, Germany. This is the first leg of our tour. Well, second leg, technically. We just wrapped up Toronto, on our way to Germany to go ahead and smash out this event with Simon and his team, which I'm really excited about. I mean, huge leaders in the market. They're absolutely smashing it. So super excited to go out there, do this event, meet some leaders, you know, just have fun ultimately, you know, like the whole point here is to have fun, enjoy it, you know, have a blast, but also pour into people and help people realize their goals. So come check out the Lufthansa lounge with me and, you know, we'll get ready for takeoff here soon. Did you enjoy your Lufthansa experience? You excited to sleep on the flight?
And watch a movie.
Watch a movie.
Yes, I'm gonna watch a Bollywood movie. Shabir, you're putting me to work. You're putting me to work, man. Trying to enjoy my business class experience over here.
5:21 a.m. Just landed in Frankfurt.
I'm tired as fuck.
How you feeling?
tired, but like
Tired. About to go through security and all that jazz. I guess we have to go this way. How's the flight?
Honestly, very smooth flight. We watched a nice movie. What was it called? A Time Traveler.
Time
my
Traveler's
first-
Wife.
There we go. Sorry. I'm really not good with movie names. I remember the movie, but never the name. But anyways, it was a good movie. We had a good meal, had a nice nap, and landed in Frankfurt.
I slept so good. I'm gonna put a video of me waking up. I was knocked. But yes, I really like Lufthansa. They were very nice.
No
Super
complaints. I was not expecting it to be like nice business class seats, but then I actually ended up enjoying it very much. So
Amazing. The food was kind of whack, but
United has better food.
United has way better food. Emirates has way better food. Whatever. So yeah, we're about to go through security, I guess customs, and then yeah, we'll be on our way to our hotel, checking in. Probably maybe go back to sleep a little bit, and then yeah, we'll figure out the rest of the day from there. So we just got here, Frankfurt. Then we got to go to Wiesbaden. Hopefully I'm saying it right. We'll do it up big. So good morning. See you guys in a bit. All right, what's going on, everybody? We are here in Wiesbaden. I hope I'm saying it right. We landed 5:30 a.m. Got to the hotel like maybe around 7-ish.
Yes.
And then we decided that we were going to stay up and go catch some breakfast and explore the city. And then we just decided, we'd take a small little nap. And then we woke up at 2 p.m. That wasn't on the plane. Much needed nap. But yeah, this is our view from our hotel in Wiesbaden. This place is actually really cool. Like, if you look, they have these like very interesting type trees. Let me see if you guys can see them. But yeah, these trees are so like interesting. So yeah, we're gonna go down there. We're gonna explore a bit. Yeah, we're gonna see what Wiesbaden has to offer. And yeah, let's take a look at this side over here. Looks like they're doing some construction over here, building this, I guess, German skyscraper, So yeah, we'll catch you guys downstairs. I'm excited about this though, man, because we're about to meet multiple 6- and 7-figure earners who are in the company right now. So we're really excited about everything we have going on here inside of Koshex and My Daily Choice. So yeah, we'll be here. Events in 2 days. Tomorrow night we got leadership. So for now, we're gonna go explore the city, see what we can do. But yeah, we'll catch you guys downstairs. What's going on, everybody? We finally made our way outside. It's a beautiful day. This is what I was talking about, the tree. Amazing.
guys, I've never seen trees like this like anywhere. They look like they have like little fences on them.
So yeah, we're gonna be vlogging it up. Oh, I'm getting a call. Scam likely. Hello? Goddamn scam calls. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, this place is beautiful though. I mean, it's got a lot of history.
It's so pretty here. Guys, the last time I came to Frankfurt was like about 10 years ago. And I was like, I don't know where I went, but it did not look like this. So, happy to be here. Thanks to the team for bringing us out.
Let's go. So yeah, we're gonna go find some food to eat. We'll meet up with the team a little later. So yeah, let's have a great day. Okay, guys. So we just found authentic. Ooh, yes, please. Oh, amazing. We just found an authentic Italian restaurant here in Wiesbaden. Everybody here speaks Italian. So we're gonna dig in on this Napoli pizza. I got the Parmesan. How's the pizza, baby? How's the pasta? Good?
Very good.
Have a little bit of Parmesan action.
So good.
So good, she says. 10 out of 10. All right, baby. About to dig in on this pizza. Have some of that pasta right. Let's go. Okay, come. So it is now day 2 in Wiesbaden. And oh, there they are. So yeah, we're about to go meet the team. Look at this square. So nice and pretty. And we got Medina. Yo. This vlog about to be lit. So we're about to go meet with the team a little bit. Have some coffee. Look at these people having a little picnic over here. So nice. Hello.
Germany. First lady, hi, nice to meet you.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good to see you. How you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
Pumped.
There we go.
Ready
Excited,
to go.
pumped, full energy,
Let's
ready to go. Yeah.
All right, what's going on, everybody? We're here in Wiesbaden right now. We went to go eat some Afghan food, and now we just started walking back to the hotel, and we're like, look at all of this. There's so much going on over here. Like, I mean,
It's Friday in Wiesbaden.
it's Friday in Wiesbaden. Everybody's out doing their thing. But yeah, they got like some hustle and bustle going on over here. But yeah, this is a beautiful place, man. Very European feeling. Certain parts feel like France.
Certain parts feel like Turkey.
Certain parts do feel like Turkey.
Got a mix of everything.
And
This place
this place is
is
called Cinnamon, not like Cinnabon.
I'm absolutely obsessed with
Medina's absolutely
Cinnabon.
obsessed with Cinnabon. Foot Locker, the whole 9 yards.
Guys, I have the ones I want. Sold out in America.
Those are hot.
Right?
Minty. About 20% off. No matter what happens in life, how much money you make, always look for a deal. Always.
That's how you stay on top.
I mean, honestly, being here, this place is sick. If you've never been to Wiesbaden, put it on your list. This place is piznapping. Pretty sure we have a lot of crap. We're going to Zara. Wow. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you with all this stuff, so. Yeah. What?
He's such a self-centered whore, guys. Such a self-centered whore. What makes him think that like anybody wants to hear him talk about, wow, I want to come to Wiesbaden. It's such a beautiful place here. Look at these goddamn earrings. Go get yourself these earrings from Zara. They're $17.95. What a steal. People want to know about that, not your nonsense. So.
Yo! What's up, Brody?
What's up, man? My brother, guten Tag. We're here out here in Wiesbaden.
Where are we?
Wiesbaden, getting some Venus Schnitzel. Fire. Some of the best Venus Schnitzel you'll ever have right here in Wiesbaden. If you ever make it out here, check it out.
Let's go.
He's capping. He's not even had the Venus Schnitzel here.
No, I haven't had the Venus Schnitzel yet. But when I was in Baden-Baden, I had the Venus Schnitzel, and it was beautiful. And I only can imagine that Wiesbaden would be similar, right?